In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best practices for using an IP camera that has a line-in or a built-in microphone. Here we already have the camera pulled up. We're at an address of 192.168.1.106. Most of our cameras ship with a default address of 192.168.1.108. So here we already got it pulled up. We're at the login screen. We're just going to log in. This camera's already been initialized and set up as far as the initial settings. So we can log right in here. Here we can see we have our office in the background. But to enable audio, we're first going to go to the Setting tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see Camera. There's Conditions, Video, and Audio. We want Audio. Now we're going to come into Audio. We see the encode. Here it's automatically enabled on our mainstream to be enabled. We're going to make sure we enable that and save it just in case. And then we want to set it to the best codec settings, so we're going to change it to AAC, and then you can select this sampling frequency of 64,000 bytes. Now if you want to enable recording on your substream, you have to come down here and make sure you enable the substream recording for audio, and then you also want to make sure you select the audio streaming type, and you can also set this to AAC and 64,000 for the best sampling rate. Down here we selected the audio in type of line in. This camera only has a line in. Cameras that have built-in microphones or line in will have two options underneath this type. And then you can either enable or disable the noise filter. Depends on how noisy your environment is, and your mileage may vary with that filter. And then you can of course adjust the microphone and speaker volume. You can finally adjust these settings if you need to. Again, your mileage will vary with these volume settings as well. But the main takeaway here is that you're coming in here to set the encode mode to AAC and setting it to the highest sampling frequency for the best quality audio. Thank you for watching.